Hello and welcome back to our channel. With the increasing popularity of dark mode, many apps, including Facebook Messenger, have added the option to switch to a darker theme. However, some users may prefer the classic light mode for various reasons, such as personal preference, better readability, or simply a change of pace. In this video, we'll show you how to turn off dark mode in Facebook Messenger. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to switch back to the light mode in no time. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Messenger. The first step is to open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Step 2. Tap on the three stacked lines. Tap on the three stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap on the gear icon. In the menu that appears, tap on the gear icon in the top left corner. Step 4. Tap on the moon icon. In the settings menu, you'll see a moon icon as the first setting. Tap on it. Step 5. Turn off dark mode. To turn off dark mode and switch to light mode, tap on the setting. Two options will appear, on and off. Check the circle next to off. Step 6. Confirm the change. Messenger will display a message confirming that the theme has been changed to light mode. Tap on OK to close the message. Step 7. Enjoy the light mode. That's it. Messenger will now switch to light mode, making it easier to read and navigate. You can enjoy the classic look of Messenger with a bright and light interface. Turning off dark mode in Facebook Messenger is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. Whether you prefer the classic light mode or simply want to switch things up, this guide has got you covered. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.